Hello students. In earlier videos we had learned some properties of CSS like float and display property. Now in this video we will discuss about the order list or numbered list. Okay. Suppose we have to create any numbered or ordered list, or if you have to create your index page of your book, okay, then we have to use here order list through the HTML. Suppose we want to design your index page through the HTML, then which tag we have to use here? That is order list or number list. So for creating the order list or number list, OL tag is defined. Okay, OL for order list. Okay, defines an order list here. Clear? An order list can be numerical or alphabetical, like 1, 2, 3. These are numerical. Alphabetical means what? A, B, small a, B, capital A, B also. Then numeric, in numeric, Roman numbers are there, correct? Like this. So in this way we have to define the order list with numeric numbers also and alphabets also. Clear? So there are some attributes of OL tag. Okay. So what are the attributes here? First attribute is type. Okay. Type, and the values are 1, A, Roman in Roman 1, and then small I, that is in like this. Okay, these are the some values of the type attribute. So this is defined what? 1 is default value, and other value specifies the numbering type for the use time. Okay, so 1 is what? 1 is the by default. Okay, if I don't write anything in a type attribute, then by default it printed as a 1, 2 like this. Okay, if you have to print A, then your order list like A, B, C like this. Okay, so this is the type attribute. Now next attribute is reversed. Reverse, the name indicates what? Reverse means whatever the sequence are there, we have to reverse it. Like suppose I want to give 1 as a CS, 2 as a CS1 like this. So when we write the reverse, it is printed as a 2 CS1 1 CS like this. Okay, that means we have to reverse the sequence. Clear? So this attribute specifies that the item of the list are specified in the reverse order. Okay, we want to display the list in the reverse order, then we have to set this attribute, that is reversed. Okay, now next start. Start value of this attribute is number, specifies the starting number of the first item is in an order list. Suppose I want to start from, okay, suppose I want to start from 10. Okay, so I want to give here start is equal to 10, and after that the next sequence is 11, 12, 13 like this. That means we have to define a starting number, okay, of the first item in an order list. Clear? So in this way the order list is defined. Okay, first attribute is type attribute, then reversed, then start attribute. Clear? Now we will discuss here one example which is based on the order list. Clear? Okay, example. So HTML tag is used here, then head, title. In title tag we have to define an order list or number list demo, then head tag close here, then body tag open here, then we have to use a h3, okay, heading 3 tag to print some heading here, that is list of topics, and then close here h3 tag. Then OL tag for what? OL tag for order list. Okay, and LI tag for what? Listing element. LI tag is what? Listing items. Okay, items or elements. Okay, listing items or elements. So first item of this list is what? Basic of IT. Then li close here. Okay, then li html5 li close here, then next tag li, then PostgreSQL, and then li close here, and then this ol tag close here. So by default this tag is shown as what? We can't set any attribute of this one, this tag. Okay, so it is shown like 1 dot basic of IT then 2.html5, then 3.postgresql, like this. Means we do not set any attribute of this one. Clear? So it is by default this order list starts from 1, 2, 3, like this. Clear? Now next, H3 list of topics start with series 50. Okay, we have to start the topics with the first starting point as a 50, or first starting number as a 50. So we have to set here one attribute, that is OL start 50. Okay, start 50 here. Then LI basic of item. When this message prints, the number is what? 50 dot basics of IT, and next time it is 51 dot HTML5, then 52 dot PostgreSQL, like this. Okay, so this is what, this is the, we have to define here starting point or starting number in this block. Clear? Now next, in H3 tag we have to use a list of topics in reverse sequence. We have to reverse the sequence. Okay, then OL reversed, we have to simply use a reversed value of the reversed attribute here. Then LI basic of IT, HTML5, PostgreSQL. So this sequence is printed as in reverse. Okay, so we will discuss this program output practically, then it is easily to understand this one. Clear? So now we will do this. Okay, we will start here execution of order or numbered list. Okay, so for title of the web page is what? Order list or number list demo here. And then we have to open here body tag, in which BG color we have to set, that is background color of your web page, that is yellow. Then next tag is used as a H1. Okay, H1 tag for what? H1 tag for heading 1, which is aligned to center. Okay, and I want to print one message, that is order list or number list demo. Okay, so next thing we have to use here H3 tag, that is heading 3, which contains the list of topics. Then we have to close here H3 tag. Then OL tag for what? Order list. Okay, in which LI is for what? Listing items or listing elements. So by default the number of this one is what? 1. We have to discuss these attributes of OL tag in detail. Okay, so when we don't use any attribute here, then by default of this numbering is what? 1, starting from 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, like this. Then we have to close a OL tab. Then we have to print next one as a H3, and we have to use a start attribute. Start attribute starts the numbering from 50 here. Okay, we have to give here 50. So for basics of IT, the number is what? 50. Then next one 51, 52, like this. We have to print this order list. So we will see the output of this program. Save this document and execute this one. So in your output window, the elements looks like this one. Okay, so without using any attribute, we have to print the text. Okay, like list of topics. Then we have to use here basics of IT. By default it is starts from 1, then 2, then 3, like this. Okay, next we have to use a start attribute or a starts from 50. So first entry it is 50, it is assigned to 50, then next 51, 52. Okay, so this is what, this is the demonstration of start attribute. If I want to add here reverse attribute is used to what? To reverse the contents. Okay, suppose we have to use a H3. Then I want to write a list of topics in reverse sequence, and then close a H3 tag. Then I want to use here OL for order list, and we use a reversed. then use here li, so li for listing item. Okay, suppose I want to copy this as it is. Okay, and save this. Okay, so the given elements are listed in reverse sequence by using the reversed as a attribute value. Okay, so just re-execute this one. So your output shown like this, like for starting from 3 basic of IT, then 2 HTML5, then PostgreSQL. Okay, for printing the reverse sequence, it is follow the default sequence here. By default sequence is what? This one, that is 1 dot basic of IT, 2 dot HTML5, 3 dot PostgreSQL. So like this we have to print the reverse sequence based on the default value only. Okay, clear? Suppose I want to change the start value of this one, like suppose I want to write here 10. So the default changes is done in this code. Okay, so 10, 11, 12. Okay, so these are the order list or number list demo. Clear? Suppose I want to write here what? I, then it is affected or not, we will see this one. So this one, that means we have to I is equivalent to what? 1. So 1, 2, 3 like this we have to print this text. Save this and execute this. Listen here, this values is not for start. Start attribute only holds the number. Okay, that is 10, 12 like this, that is 50. Okay, it cannot hold the letters here, correct? So save this and execute this one. And next thing is what we do here, that is suppose I want to assign here type is equal to, suppose I here, save this and execute this. So listen here, your type is set to the Roman number, that is 1, 2, okay, like this one. Clear? Suppose I want to assign here small I, that means small Roman number is there, then it is assigned like this 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, that means whatever the value regarding your letters, they are applied only on the type attribute, it is not applied in the start attribute. Okay, suppose I want to apply here A, save. So A, B, C, D, like all the numbers are given here. Clear? Okay, so this is the demonstration of the order list or number list. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you, students.